In this lecture, we'll be discussing about the packages in Linux or Unix operating system. Both are the same things. What is package? You may have heard about this terminology whenever you are dealing with the Oracle database. So what is package? See, actually, in our real time, whenever you are discussing about the operating system, we have a different softwares are there, right? So in order to install the software, we are downloading the setup.exe. In our Windows, we called it as a setup.exe. We are just double click on it and the software will get installed. But in Linux operating system, what will happen? The same software, we called it as a package. This is called package. Now package installation is behave like your software installation only. How to install this package? If you want to install the package in Linux operating system, there are some of the commands are there like apt-get. You can use this command to install a package, or whenever you want to update a package, or whenever you want to remove a package. Let's take one by one. So let's log into the server. Now what I'm doing, first of all, whatever package which are already installed in my server Ubuntu's machine, I'm going to update that. Let's assume that if I want to tell you the same thing in layman word, whatever softwares I'm having, I just want to update it to the latest version. So I'm going to use this command, sudo apt-get and update. Let me type sudo apt-get update. It's asking the password. I'm giving the password. Now whatever the packages which are available on this machine, all are getting updated. For that you need to have an internet connectivity, and my machine is already connected with the internet. That is why it is able to install and update the package. Now next thing is how to install a package. Let's say you want to install one more package. You want to install some SSH package. Sometimes you need to install SSH. Sometimes you need to install Oracle database prerequisite package. If you are working as a Oracle DBA, many times we need to deal with package installation. So you will mention cd apt-get install and the package name. Whatever package you want to install, you will just fire this command. Let's say that you want to remove some package. For that, sudo apt-get remove and the package name. If you want to remove multiple package, you will mention package number 1, then space package number 2, space package number 3. Likewise, you can also remove multiple package. You can also install multiple package. This is the package installation, which is really important, and we should know what is packages. And this command may get changed, apt-get. Sometimes if you are using some different operating system, then they are also using wget to install a package. Okay, so if whenever you want to download something from the internet, that time we are using this wget. Okay, rest of the things we'll discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.